Okay, so we're often asked to show a demonstration on how air affects a water meter. So as you know, our valve will be a solution to people so that their water meter will only register water consumption, not a combination of an air and water consumption. So I want to show you a demonstration here of how air by itself will affect this meter, and it will spin exactly the same way as it does if water was going through it. Therefore, when our valve is installed, what you're seeing now will not happen to our customers. So here's an example. Okay, so as you can see, that meter is spinning at a rapid pace, and this is only air. So if there's any further questions or anything, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. All right, so here is a demonstration on how the valve works. There's 2 meters here, and here is the installation of the valve here, and there's no valve installed here. The flow of the direction of the water is going this way. And what's going to happen is this valve is going to cause the compression zone to precede the valve anywhere from 50 to 100 feet, making this water here in a laminar flow state, therefore allowing the meter to not pick up the turbulent flow and register it, as you will see on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the first one. And as you're going to see here, is you can see the turbulent flow here traveling through. So when this happens, all of these little air bubbles and air pockets are being picked up on this meter. You can see very clearly the turbulent flow running through. Okay? Now, there's the meter, and obviously no valve. Now here's the valve. Now we're going to turn this one on here. Now this one's on. Now you can see a clear difference between, let me turn this light on here. So here you can see this is, there you go. All right. So here you can see solid water all the way up to the valve. And then after the valve, it will go through it, and down the road, it will decompress. As you can see here, this one's very turbulent all the way, and you can see the turbulence in the flow. Okay, each one of these is getting picked up by this meter. And you can see here that this is not. Okay? And what you'll see here is a difference in the way that the meters are spinning in speed. Probably watching this one and this one would be the most accurate. You can see that this one is spinning faster than this one is spinning. And there is your demonstration.